What if I told you, you don't need a supercomputer to build a language model? What if you could do it on this laptop? What even is a large language model? Is it a chatbot, a database, a giant file full of answers? Or is it something much simpler? What if I told you an LLM is just a machine that predicts the next word? That's it. No rules, no grammar engine, just probability. So let's start with a question. How does a computer see a word? Does it see letters or does it see numbers? Hello, 15,496. Why a number? Because machines don't understand language. They understand math. But a number alone has no meaning. So here's the next question. How do we give numbers meaning? 15,496 transforms into 0.13, -1.7, 0.42, ... This is a vector, a point in a space with hundreds of dimensions. What if I told you that in this space, similar words live close together? So now the model knows what a word is. But how does it know what a word means in a sentence? Here's the real question. When you read a sentence, do you look at every word equally? Or do some words matter more? Attention of Q, KV equals softmax of QK transpose divided by square root of dA times V. This equation decides what the model cares about. Every word asks, what am I looking for? What do I contain? What should I share? So now we have meaning, we have attention. But how does the model learn? Here's a simple question. What happens when you're wrong? You feel pain. So does the model. Loss equals how wrong the prediction is. Every mistake pushes the brain to change. And here's the real magic. We don't program the brain, we train it. I equals WX plus B. W is the brain. And every time the model is wrong, W changes. Now here's the big question. Can this run on a normal desktop? Yes, not a giant model, not a billion parameters, but a real one, a real transformer, a real attention system, a real learning brain. Mini GPT, CPU, 16 GB RAM, no GPU. This isn't about scale, it's about understanding. So what's the difference between this and ChatGPT? ChatGPT is this, but trained on the internet, on thousands of GPUs, for months. Same math, same architecture, different universe. What if I showed you how to stack attention layers, how to add memory, how to deploy this to the cloud, how to turn this into a real AI product? So here's my question for you. Do you want to use AI or do you want to build it? Because in this series, we're not running models, we're building minds. AI isn't magic, it's math, trained at scale.